How to fix iMessages photos not working. So iMessages is usually through the use of internet, right? So you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connections. So let's say you don't have an internet connection, then you can resort to data. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to try to restart your phone here. Just toggle that, just press the power button and the volume up volume in the same time, and this will come out. And of course you have to slide to power off to restart your phone. Now if it still doesn't work that way, what you can do next is to go here to your settings and then go to your messages here. As you can see, it's actually under phone and above FaceTime. Tap on messages, and then here toggle that on the iMessage here, and then here you'll see the iMessage apps here. Let's just, and then basically you can set the low quality image mode here. And basically that is how you fix iMessage photos not loading. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.